Hi there, and welcome to the video tutorial for the fundama, the ladder. I'm Paul Miller with Flow Circus, promoting active learning and play through the juggling arts. Now, the ladder is the most strange design, or the most unique design of the fundama line of toys, in that it doesn't use the bottom cup part of the cup, but rather the top ring part. And this provides an opportunity for a really unique style of play, which you'll learn about in our play video. But first, let's get on to the construction. For the ladder, we need the usual suspects: our cups, string, masking tape, scissors, and 12-inch dowel. We'll start with the ball and string. We will use 24 inches of string for this particular toy right here. 24 inches is about right there. Cut that up and make our ball. If you've been following along with our play, you know that the ball is very simple, and I'm sure you've become quite adept at wrapping a ball out of masking tape. This is my favorite part, honestly. There we go. Probably my favorite part because it's the quickest part. Well, my favorite part other than actually playing toys. That's my favorite part. So there we go. We have the ladder ball. Now this does use a longer piece of string, and you'll see how later. So that's the first part. Now we need to make these rings, and these are basically just the top of the cup. So we're going to take 3 cups, and we're going to cut the top. Now I flatten the top of the cup like that, and then just cut off that rolled part of the paper up top there. And that gives us a little bit of extra strength by using that part. But we're going to make it plenty strong using the tape. So we need 3 of those. And then what we do is we take that ring there and we just wrap tape around it. And like all the fundamas, we don't have to worry about making anything neat, because you really kind of neaten it up at the end with your last final piece of tape. Again, this works good if you have some tape already pre-cut, so as to make quick work of the wrapping. See, it's coming along there. I usually use about 4 or 5 pieces of tape to make it all the way around. Make it nice and strong. And these strips of paper are only about 2 or 3 inches long. If you make them a little bit longer, it gives it a little added security or strength. But by the time you get done with this, there's so much tape around it, it's pretty strong. So, you wrap it with tape, make it nice and rounded like so. And that is the ring that you recognize from our ladder. Now, take the tape, and we're going to, or the ring, and we're just going to tape that ring onto the dowel. And now what I do is I put it on there sort of in the middle, and it helps if you rip the tape so you can wrap that part around. So you see the tape is a lot wider than the dowel, so we just rip it and then wrap it around like so. And that's on there. It's not very secure, but that is easily fixed by adding a little bit more tape around the edges like so. On the bottom there, on the top. And then I like mine secure, so I just add another piece of tape along the back there. Right there. Once again, I rip it. And there we have our ring taped onto the dowel. Now you're going to do that 2 more times, and you're going to space them about 1.5 inches to 2 inches from each other, with a little bit of space to carry on the bottom, or to hold it on the bottom. Finally, we're going to attach the ball and string, and we do that right at the tip of the dowel on the top. You guessed it, a little bit more masking tape. Take that, put it in there. Now if you want, for a little extra security, you can just bring that tape down, or bring the string down, wrap the tape around it, and then bring it back up. And this way, you kind of make a little S with the string underneath that tape so it doesn't pull out during play. And there we go. There's a ladder with only one step. We'll show you how the gameplay works with this particular toy in our game video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy making the ladder.